Good afternoon, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Jordan Root here with your Campus Weather Service forecast update for today, April 18th, 2013. And we've been pretty warm the past few days, and today really no different. However, we do have some clouds out there, and that's kind of basically inhibiting the temperatures. If we take a look at the current live shot Mount Nittany, you can see that low cloud deck out there kind of obscuring the view of the mountain from here. Looking at the temperature of 57 right now, kind of cool, but things will be gradually warming up as we head into the afternoon hours. Of course, looking at the dew point 50 degrees is kind of giving you a sense of the moisture in the air, and just by looking towards Mount Nittany, you can kind of see the large amount of water vapor that's in the air. But we do have some light to moderate winds out of the south-southeast at 7 miles per hour. And so look at the temperatures across the whole state. You can kind of see this nice contrast of temperatures right here in the western part of Pennsylvania, and that's mainly due to cloud cover. Western part of the state is actually seeing some pretty sunny skies right now, but as for the rest of the state here in the green, you're seeing essentially a pretty low cloud deck, which is kind of controlling temperatures and moderating them into the 50s and lower 60s. But pointing out some temperatures here, Philadelphia 61, looking around the state here, 57 here in State College. And of course, over here, the warm side of the state, Erie with a 75 degree reading, Franklin 73, and then Pittsburgh 74. And of course, looking at the whole country as a whole in the big picture, you can basically see this big, large area of warm air here into the Ohio River Valley and Tennessee River Valley. And essentially, we have a large system here that's kind of filtering this air northward into our parts of the area. And you can see this big temperature contrast here as you dive down into Texas, and that's where the cold front is. And you can see these pretty chilly temperatures back here in the Rocky Mountains and in the northern and central plains. And this air will gradually work its way into Pennsylvania, but we're not expected to tap into basically all of that cold air. Just it will be cooler though for the weekend, but essentially this cold air will basically stay to the north. So take a look at the radar and satellite. Again, you can see those clouds here across the central and the eastern part of the state, some rain showers down here in Philadelphia. But take a look over here in the west, you can see that clearing skies over there, sunny skies, and that's allowing them to have temperatures that have soared up into the mid and lower 70s. And some of your areas could even see 80 degrees out in the west, including places like Pittsburgh and Franklin and areas in between. But looking at the eye in the future, taking you into tomorrow, you can see that cold front that I was showing you earlier on the temperature map. It's going to swing by Pennsylvania tomorrow, right around the blue and white carnival time, and you're looking at some showers, some thunderstorms. Basically, nothing in terms of severe, but definitely could see some thunder and lightning with this nice line of showers and storms here. But take a look behind it. You're going to see some clear skies filter in, and so by Saturday, you're seeing some clouds to start out, some sun later on, and eventually probably a few more clouds during the day and Saturday, but generally going to be actually a pretty decent day for Saturday, but cooler as we get on the backside of that low pressure system. And then looking at Sunday, again clear. So starting out with basically breaking it down for today, we're looking at temperatures of 71 degrees, and under mostly cloudy skies, we could see a few sprinkles in the area, but generally it's going to be a dry day here in State College, I do believe. But clouds will definitely prohibit the temperatures from climbing up towards 80, like places in the west, like they might see today. But generally in the 70s, maybe even upper 60s. As we head over tonight, we're looking at essentially the same thing, mostly cloudy skies, 58 degrees under mostly cloudy skies again. But really rain holding off till tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the big rain day. And then if we take a look at the blue and white weekend forecast, starting out at 6 p.m. tomorrow for the carnival, look at 69 degrees. This is about the time that front's going to push through. So when that front does push through, expect some gusty conditions, some rain showers, maybe some thunderstorms. So it might be a wet time for the carnival, but as we head towards nightfall, we're looking at the fireworks tomorrow night at 9. Temperatures around 60 degrees. Showers should be done by the firework time. So hopefully it'll be dry. Bring a raincoat just in case. So heading into the football game tomorrow at 12 p.m., Saturday noon kickoff. Noticeably cooler, 49 degrees, but some sun in the area, so that's always good. Will be gusty at times though. Winds will be breezy. Like I said, though, much cooler compared to today. And then taking into the 7-day forecast, essentially that front pushes through on Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, things kind of cooling down a bit. No real rain expected though during those days. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, things remaining dry and with sun at times. Highs basically pushing back up into the upper 60s. So of course, for more information on the blue and white weekend forecast, you can check us out tomorrow at 7 p.m. at campusweatherservice.com. We'll be doing a live coverage of basically the weekend's weather in terms of the weather and festivities. So make sure to check us out there. It'll be a half-hour long. Of course, you can find us on Twitter and Facebook as well. For Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Jordan Root. Have a great day, everybody.